Hey guys, it's Dustin with Clicks Geek, and I'm back with a new Google Ads case study from a mobile auto detailing business. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do subscribe so you don't miss all the great Google Ad case studies and Google Ads training that we drop in here daily for you. So let's take a look at this campaign. We're going to view this from a 30-day window. Our daily budget is $25 per day. We've sent 421 clicks. Our conversion rate is 34.68%, so that's really good. 146 conversions so far for the 30 days, with a $5.14 per lead acquisition cost. So that's terrific. This type of campaign specifically is driving both calls and lead gen forms. So the consumer fills out the information on the page, name, email address, phone number, or they pick up their phone, dial, or touch to call on the actual from the landing page or from the mobile device, and all that tracks back into this campaign. So let's take a look back into what kind of ad groups we've comprised. And ad groups are essentially just a categorization of keywords based on different types of topics. So car detailing, mobile auto detailing, Jacksonville auto detailing, auto detailing, and these are a few of the top boat detailing, top categories or ad groups that we're focused on. Inside of each one of these are the keywords that we're focusing on. So one thing I did want to mention was you'll see here we're not targeting cost per acquisition on this campaign. This campaign we're actually running max conversion. Because we have it dialed in so well that running max conversion still keeps us within our cost per acquisition. So yeah, it's a great campaign. Let's take a look at the keywords so you can kind of get an idea of what we're focused on there. All right, so you'll see that all of these campaigns are very intent based. So we're using exact match and phrase match. Exact match means that in order for this keyword to show up, the consumer has to search for this exact term. So car detailing near me, or the phrase match mean like boat detailing. This phrase has to consist inside of what the consumer is searching for. So as you can imagine, this is driving really high intent, high quality leads and clicks for this campaign. So if you own an auto detailing business and you're interested in running a successful Google Ad campaign like this one, reach out to us through the application link in the description below this video. Our team can set up a campaign like this one for your business and launch it for you in as little as 24 to 48 hours. So that's it for today. Have a great day, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks.